Yay! Oh yeah, back at it again. Went to take the car to go get inspected, and before I made it to the inspection place, the ball joint came apart. Nice. Well, I guess it needed ball joints anyway. So I worked on this last night. Even my buddy came over and helped me, and I can't get that out of there. It will not come out. So it's more looby-doob. Get some in around that one. See if I can get that one pressed out today. Top one came off real easy. Well, hammer, looby-doob, letting it sit overnight. Came right on out. Took me a fair amount of swings, but it came out. Cool. I'm happy now. And the same went on right there. Penetrating oil overnight. Big hammer. Press on that, and it went all the way through. Hey, look, a walnut. Woohoo! Might be able to get this put back together today. My week has been consumed by a Lincoln. So I was going to a car show this weekend, and the airbag blew out on the back passenger side. So it dumped all the way to the ground. Just look how hammered that thing is. I mean, it's like a couple inches off the ground. Like, seriously. See, when the one air spring went out, it lost all the air to all of it. So it's 100% on bump stops. Well, as you can see, I got it out. And it was definitely bad. That's when it went poof. Alright, got the AS 7000 here, made by Weststar. I drive 45 minutes to go get these, plus 45 minutes back. Instructions. Might need instructions to get it out of the box. Yeah, so when I took the old one out, I found something out. It's already been replaced one time, and it came off of a 96, so that's probably why it had the rub mark on it. So these are older than the car. Brand new. Look at that. Fancy. Brand new O-rings. As you can tell, those aren't looking too good. Alright, got the solenoid back in. Now I got to get this bad boy back up in there. That seems to be the hardest part. So, on top of the airbag is a retaining clip. The passenger side was missing it. This is the one from the driver's side. So the retaining clip, all it does is hold it up in the air when the suspension's like on a lift or something like that. It keeps the spring from falling down. So, it may look a little janky, but I made something that might work. May be hard to see in there, but that little homemade retaining clip's doing its job. All right. See? It's holding it up in the air. Well, the one on the driver's side was a lot harder to get out because it still had air in it. It also had an aftermarket solenoid put on it. And this bag held air, and it was a Firestone. Yep, I like Firestone bags. That's what I got on my lowrider. I'm gonna keep this one as a spare. Nope. Got the driver's side in. Got the factory retaining clip up in there. And as you can see, they are both hanging. They ought to settle when I get the wheels and everything set back down on the ground. Got the wheels back on it. Still hammered. I love that. Need to turn on the air suspension now. Alright, air compressor's running. When it gets up, it might bang to seat in the springs. Let's see what happens here. Maybe I should fire up the car so I don't kill my battery. Yeah, she's running now. It's got a nice little rumble to it. I like it. Let me turn that back on. Oh, looks like it's coming up. Wait till those springs seat. Bang! I may not do it. Well, cut off. It's up in the air. So let's sit here and run and see what it does. Well, it looks like I was worried about nothing. They're seated. So, that looks like normal riding height. I'm so glad my friend forgot to pick up his jack from helping me earlier this week. I definitely needed it today. Takes 2 jacks to lift this car up. It's heavy. Anyway, thanks again, Doobie.